Morning, YouTube. I'm out here at the STA. Got another sweet day off work today. I'm going to be throwing my weightless gambler flipping shad. That little paddle tail on it. Nice action when it's weightless. Let's get out here and see if I can hook up to a toad or two. See what happens. Stay tuned. I'm out here with that new combo that I got last week. That's that Ferrari yellow Daiwa Tatula Type R. Stay tuned for the action. Good 2-pounder. Oh, he's trying. Got him. What, Sunday? That's a decent one. On the weightless gambler. All right. Got a decent on the weightless gambler, brother. Right? Wow. Well, I've only been here about 20 minutes, bro, and the skunk is over. Man, the weightless gambler comes through for me. All right, nice right there. He ain't bad at all for the first fish of the morning. All right, let's get him back in the water. Come on, baby. Finally, I'm hooked up. Number 2. Way out there in the middle. Dang. That was way out there. He's a little one. But I got him. Alright. There it is, guys. On a weightless gambler. Alright, let's get a subtle release on that guy. Oh, beautiful. What a release. Oh, the morning's starting out slow again, but I got 2 and I just seen some action on the water right here in front of me. So let me re-rig my bait. There's a lot of gators out here today, so I won't be going in after any bass today, that's for sure. Especially when you can see visibly right in front of you 1, 2, 3 gators just watching you fish. They must be hungry, you know. Come on, guys, I got a nice one. I'm on a nice one. Oh, he's a nice one. Come on, baby. Oh, I'm on a nice one, guys. It feels nice. It's a giant gator trying to come after him. I just seen him go under. Oh, I got a lot of weed on it. Maybe he's not that big. Feels like a chunk. Oh, it's a chunk. He looks solid. The whopper plopper comes through. That's a solid chunk, guys. He's solid. Just gotta watch out for that gator I saw. There he is. I see him. All right. Oh, it's a solid chunk, guys. Solid. Oh. The whopper plopper comes through, gentlemen. Man, that whopper plopper's a great bait. Finally, there he is, guys. That's right there what I was coming out here for. That's what I was coming for. Nice chunky bass. That's what we come out here and do this for. We do it for the big uns. Don't really care how many I catch today. I've got 3, but this is what I come out here for. Nice slob bass. That's what I'm here for, guys. Nonetheless, I come out for giants. That's the only reason I come out fishing. I just want big uns. I just enjoy catching. big slobs. I enjoy the big slobs, guys. Let's see if we can't get you guys a better view of this thing. Oh, so much grass. See if I can get a better spot to set this up. If I can get a better setup area for you guys so you guys can get a look at this bass. There he is, guys. Nice chunk. Solid fish right there. That was a solid bass. That's what I came out here for, guys. Nice chunky. Solid fish. Let's get the release on this chunk. Watch out for the gators, because they're all over here watching me. Let's go ahead and get the release on this guy. Shout out to Peacock Pete. There he is, guys. Release that pig. Alright. Well, guys, so much for the whopper plopper action. That's what happens when an 8-foot gator chomps down on your plopper. All you got left is the head. Damn it, piece of shit. Oh, shit, he's way down there in the weeds. Huh. Come here, little guy. This is the perks of braid right here, guys. Braid to hook. That's the perks of that. And that's how I got number 4 right there. Alright. There he is, guys. He's a chubby little guy. Ain't a monster, but I got my big boy for the day. So I'm not too upset. Alright. Oh, it's a baby. What the hell? Did you really want that whopper popper that bad, dude? He's almost as big as you, bud. What's wrong with you? Huh? Wasn't that much of a good fish, was it? Man. I can't believe you actually went for the popper. You're just a little guy. You must have been hungry. Well, there it is, guys. You got another. Tiny, though. Just a little hungry guy. Back in the water you go, buddy. Come on, babe. Where you at? Oh, that's a decent one. Oh, he's off. Huh. Alright. Well, I probably couldn't hold him. He ain't hooked good, I guess. That was a decent one, though. Come on, don't get off. Don't get off, big girl. Oh, it's a nice one. Oh, it's running into the trees. I'm on it, though. I'm on her. She's swimming right towards me. Oh, it's a nice one. It's a nice one, guys. Finally, a nice bass on the end of the plopper. I missed a couple nice ones, and now I got one, guys. Oh, yeah. Nice girl right there. Oh, she's solid. She's solid, guys. The gators are coming. She's solid, though. She's a solid, guys. There she is, guys. The whopper plopper strikes again. She's a nice one. Look at that girl. That girl's nice, guys. Wow. Here comes the gators. They just want some free fucking food. That's all they want, guys. They're just dying for some free food. Nice chunk. Nice chunk, guys. That thing's a hell of a chunk, isn't it? What a chunk. What a fucking fish. What a big girl that is right there. What a big girl. Oh, she's nice. Too bad there's big old gator coming over here fucking with me. As soon as I get a nice hook up, big old fucking gator comes over because he's hungry. He wants to eat. He wants to eat, guys. This nice big girl. Look at her, guys. Look at the colors on her. She's beautiful. No parasites, man. What a big girl. Let's get her back down the water over here safely, where that monster gator can't get his hands on her. Bastard. Let's see if we can get over here and get the release. Don't want to get too close to the water. It's gator infested. There she is. You heard that big girl splash, guys? Had to be at least 4. But I tend not to weigh my fish too much anymore until I know I've broken my PB. It's been a while, but I'm hoping to break this PB sooner or later with this whopper plopper. Damn gator won't give me a break. He's coming back again. I stop fishing for a minute. He goes away. I cast back in the water with the plopper. Here he comes again. These gators are relentless out here. Damn. Oh wait, dude. Trying to catch me a chunk. Look at him. You see him, guys? Look at him just coming after. You see all that wake back there? Look at him. He's just hungry. He would love to eat me, I know it. He's just starving. Look at the size of that son of a bitch. Please don't hook up. Oh, please don't hook to a giant chunk right now. Not with this guy in tail. Man, he just wants to eat. Look at him. Look how angry that big fucker is, man. Well, he's running me out of the spot just like the last couple did.